In today's video, we will see how to find the create date for applications using the Okta Apps collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to use a test environment when performing these steps. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click the Run in Postman button next to the apps collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace the selection should be imported to. Choose a workspace and click on the Import button. After the import, the app's API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. We will use the Get App API call. Prepare the Get App API call by copying and pasting the appID from the Okta admin console. Then click on Send. The response received will be a 200 OK, along with information about the application and also the created date. In this example, the application creation date is February 4th, 2025. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.